Tupate 3 points away na pia tukienda home tupate hizo 3 points.
Now, 36 teams took part in the Nairobi Development Cup held at Strathmore Grounds in Nairobi. The two-day event is aimed at providing a platform for teams to showcase and nurture their talent. The finals will be held on Sunday at the same venue.
Game to continue today and tomorrow. We have the junior category, we have the JSS, we have the secondary school, we have self-supporting, we have even the Bunge team. The Bunge team is here, and the defending champion, that is AP Kenya, and they're all good to go.
When you grow the talent of the youth, you are doing something, not for today, but for tomorrow. And that's why I've partnered with Budia Cup, the organizers, so that I can also be part of this great thing that is happening today, promoting volleyball in Kenya.
Ni ngumu pia, according to rules, and watu wengi pia hiyo kuchoka juu ya mchanga. Yeah, without training, huwezi manage kucheza hiyo game. Sababu nilitrain around 1 year, ndio nikaweza kufika hiyo level naweza cheza international.
Getting deeper, more than 300 swimmers from